Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to YouTube channel Khamkha Vlogger. Welcome back again to this new video. So today in this video we are going to travel in one more journey, and that is going to be a train journey. So today we are going to travel from Bangalore to God's own country, yani ki Kerala. We are traveling to Kerala. So we are traveling to a very offbeat location in Kerala, that is Vagamon. From Bangalore we are going to board a train till Kottayam, because Kottayam is the nearest railway station to Vagamon. It is almost 2 hours and 65 kilometers drive to Vagamon from Kottayam railway station. We're going to travel from Bangalore's Yeshwantpur railway station. I'm going to take train number 12257 that starts from Yeshwantpur at 8:45 p.m. in the night, and next in the morning approx 10 a.m. we'll be reaching Kottayam, and our route will be through Kochi, yani ki Ernakulam town railway station. I'll give you a short tour of this railway station and then we'll board our train. Let's see कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म से हमारी ट्रेन निकलती है और ट्रेन की जर्नी कैसे रहती है, फेयर, ट्रैवल टाइम till Kottayam, and then from Kottayam how are we going to travel to Vagamon, that I'm also going to explain in this video. बाकी this is the current situation of यशवंतपुर रेलवे स्टेशन. जेंट्स वेटिंग हॉल इन्होंने ऐसा टेम्परेरी बना के रखा है और एवरीथिंग आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सब कुछ जो है अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. यहाँ पे सब कुछ अभी एवरीथिंग is under innovation, and you can see the situation. It's very hodgepodge, and then today there is going to be only one entry to the railway station. So let's enter the रेलवे स्टेशन. लेट्स सी कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म से हमारी ट्रेन डिपार्ट होने वाली है. सो ट्रेन नंबर 12257 इज गोइंग टू डिपार्ट फ्रॉम प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 3. सो गाइस, दिस इज आवर ट्रेन फॉर द जर्नी. दिस इज ट्रेन नंबर 12258. Sorry, train number 12258. It is wrongly entered here. It is 12257 Yeshwantpur to Trivandrum North Garib Rath Express. I have also travelled previously in this train, so this is not going to be my first journey in this train. I have travelled to Trivandrum in this train, but this time we are only travelling till Kottayam railway station. So finally we are inside the train, and मैं आपको कोच बता दूँ. बाकी इंटीरियर वगैरह you can see there's ample space. इधर आप you can keep your trolley bags here. और this is Garib Rath, so the seat is not that comfortable, but yeah, it is okay. And there's a mirror also, and there's charging port. I think, is it for each seat? I guess it should be for each seat. Yeah, there is one USB charger also you get. So this is how the interior looks like. Cleanliness and all is good. So I have purchased this veg and non-veg biryani, veg and egg biryani basically. So egg biryani is for 80 and non-veg veg biryani is for 70. This is on MRP. It is being sold at the station also, so you can get this emergency के लिए. बाकी let's see train में what all option is available for food. So time is 8:45 and dot on time we are departing from Yeshwantpur railway station, and I can see some people are still running. भाई जल्दी आ जाओ ट्रेन में. या he boarded the train, he didn't miss it. So now we have departed on time from Yeshwantpur railway station, and let's talk a bit about fare and travel time. So we're going to pay almost 785 rupees for this journey till Kottayam, from Bangalore to Kottayam, and then we're traveling from Ernakulam town, or you can say Kochi, and travel time to Kottayam it's almost 13 hours 10 minutes. So morning 9:55 is the arrival time in Kottayam, and then we have departed dot on time 8:45 p.m. from Yeshwantpur railway station, platform number 3. So now we are approaching our first stop, not second actually. After we departed from Yeshwantpur, that is Banaswadi, the expected arrival time is 9:07 and 9:09 is the departure. So this is our first stop, that is Banaswadi, and train is almost 10 minutes delay at Banaswadi. This is another stop in Bangalore. If you miss the train in Yeshwanthpur, then you can board in Banaswadi. Then we'll enter Tamil Nadu, and next stop is Hosur at approx 9:58 PM in the night. So finally we are in Tamil Nadu and we have arrived Hosur. So our train has arrived Hosur approx 20 minutes delay, and this is our second stop after Bangalore and Hosur also. So many people board this train, and I had dinner already. जो मैंने खरीदा था यशवंतपुर से, dinner was good. It is also recommended if you are buying from Yeshwanthpur railway station, egg or veg biryani, both the things those are being sold at MRP only, and you can purchase that for dinner. And also train में भी कुछ बेचने आ रहे हैं बिरयानी वगैरह, so you can purchase from train also. बाकी let's see departure. We'll see departure from Hosur, and I'm not going to cover any station further. We'll meet in the morning in Kochi, and I'll order online food. Now only I'll order so that सुबह उठना ना पड़े जल्दी, and then I have to order. So let's see मैं क्या order करता हूँ, कहाँ पे deliver होता है, and then we'll continue our journey towards Kottayam. Finally, with a delay of almost 21 minutes, we're departing Hosur. So now it's almost 10:30. It's time to say good night. I'll arrange my bed now and I'll go to sleep. सुबह मिलते हैं जहाँ भी नींद खोले. So guys, good morning and good morning from Kerala. So currently we are approaching Kochi, और यहाँ पे ट्रेन का सिग्नल हो गया. So I'll just board the train. Train just stopped at this unscheduled halt. I don't know, this is Karupputti railway station, and you can see the view here. So finally we are in Kerala, and our train is almost 15-20 minutes late. I have ordered breakfast at I have ordered breakfast already from Food on Wheels. Let's see our order will be delivered or not at Alua railway station. Only option was Thrissur and Alua, so I ordered at Alua. So let's see कि हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट डिलीवर होता है कि नहीं होता है. इसके साथ हम पहुँचेंगे कोची, एंड फ्रॉम कोची यानी एर्नाकुलम टाउन और we'll be up approx 1.5 hours more till Kottayam, and I guess we should reach Kottayam on time, means 10-15 minutes of delay. That is fine and acceptable, and then we'll see our journey further till Vagamon. Finally we have arrived Alua, and our breakfast also has delivered. So I ordered from Food on Wheels train app, and there was only one restaurant at Alua. One was at Thrissur. Thrissur was 6:30. Alua is approx 8. So I ordered at Alua. बाकी ट्रेन में भी यू कैन ऑर्डर, बिकॉज ट्रेन में भी बेचने आ रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह. अलुआ पे मैंने देखा काफ़ी सारे जो वेंडर्स होते हैं ना, वो ट्रेन में भी बेचने आ रहे हैं. तो यू कैन परचेज इन ट्रेन ऑल्सो, एल्स इन एर्नाकुलम टाउन ऑल्सो यू कैन परचेज. दैट इज अनदर ऑप्शन इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग ऑन दिस रूट. सो ब्रेकफास्ट हमारी सीट पे डिलीवर हो गया था, नॉट सीट पे, ट्रेन में. And we ordered masala dosa with vada, and then idli also I ordered. So masala dosa के साथ क्या है ना, there is vada also in combo, but vada is not there in any masala dosa. And then चटनी है और साथ में सांभर है. इसका कॉस्ट बता दूँ, इसका टेस्ट भी बता दूँगा कैसा है. taste overall of this dosa is average. Above or below, I don't know, but it is average. And अगर इसके cost की बात करूँ तो 120 rupees है with vada, but vada is missing from this combo pack, right? By the way, you can purchase in train also. Idli, vada, bread and bread omelette, everything is available. जो side pantry के vendors हैं वो बेचने आ रहे हैं, तो you can purchase in train also. Else, like how I ordered from Food on Wheels, you can order from there also. But recommended is कि अगर train से आपको मिल जाए तो better है. बाकी with let's complete breakfast and then we'll approach Ernakulam town north or I can say Kochi. देखते हैं कोची पे अराइवल और कोची पे खाने के लिए कुछ ऑप्शन है अवेलेबल है नहीं, फिर हम पहुंचेंगे कोटायम. सो फाइनली वी हैव अराइव्ड एर्नाकुलम टाउन विद अ डिले ऑफ 10 मिनट्स और यहाँ हमने चाय परचेज कर ली. 8:15 इज़ द टाउन, लास्ट स्टॉप है बिफोर कोटायम. और यहाँ पे मतलब खाने पीने का भी बहुत सारा ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है. बाकी मेरी ट्रेन का सिग्नल हो चुका है, ट्रेन में चढ़ के आपसे बाकी बातें कर. तो वे करेंटली एट एर्नाकुलम टाउन रेलवे स्टेशन एंड सी व्हाट आर वी स्पॉटिंग. दिस इज़ त्रिवेंद्रम कासारगोड 20 कोच वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस विच इज़ सैफरॉन कलर. और भाई कितनी सुंदर लग रही है ट्रेन, आप बाहर से देख सकते हैं. बाकी एर्नाकुलम टाउन रेलवे स्टेशन पे 5 मिनट का स्टॉप है. ट्रेन के बाहर भी बहुत कुछ ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है आपको. टी, कॉफ़ी, ब्रेकफास्ट, इडली, वड़ा एंड देन पूरी, एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल. एंड ट्रेन में भी बहुत कुछ बेचने आ रहे हैं, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट ब्रेकफास्ट. इफ़ यू आर नॉट ऑर्डरिंग ऑल्सो देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ फाइन. ट्रेन में भी यू कैन गेट लॉट मैनी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल. So guys, finally we have arrived at Kottayam railway station, station code KTYM, and you know what? Our train has arrived here 10 minutes before time. यानी पूरे 10 मिनट before time हमारी ट्रेन यहाँ पे पहुँचा दी है. 9:55 AM was the arrival time, but we reached 9:45 AM only. So that's how the train journey was. Train journey was good. For food options also, there are so many things available in this train. There is side pantry, so many vendors are coming to sell breakfast in this train. So you will get enough opportunities to purchase breakfast also in this train. So now from Kottayam we have to travel to Vagamon. So now I'm going to show you further details how we're going to travel till Vagamon. So guys, finally we are out of the station, and let me tell you how I travel to Vagamon today. So one way is you can take a bus to Vagamon from Kottayam, because Kottayam is the nearest railway station from Vagamon, as I already told you. So now from here we are going to rent a car. So जो मैंने कार का पिकअप पॉइंट है वो कोट्टायम रेलवे स्टेशन ही रखा है, तो ही इज़ कमिंग टू डिलीवर द कार, एंड द डिलीवरी पॉइंट ऑल्सो व्हेन वी विल ड्रॉप द कार ऑल्सो विल ड्रॉप एट द रेलवे स्टेशन ओनली. सो गाइस, करेंटली we are here at the car rentals office, and they picked us from the railway station, and then 2 kilometers drive they brought us to their office. So this is La Cabs. So now we're going to pick this car from their office, and let me tell you about rentals and all. So La Cabs, I told you, I got the number from Google. Their rating was good, so that's why I picked. I choose this company. Other companies as well are also there, like EVM cars. So in Kottayam you'll get car and bike rentals, no issues. So this car per day, this is Tata Tiago manual petrol. For one day this is going to cost us 1,000 rupees. Kilometer limit is 150 kilometer, and if we drive above that, 8 rupees per kilometer. And mileage of this car is 12 kilometer, as I asked the person, but let it assume 10 only, because they are saying they are claiming 12, so it will be 1-2 kilometers less only. So now we are starting from this La Cabs office, and you can see 2 hours 7 minutes it shows, and 67 kilometers. Currently it's 10:49 AM, and we will reach by 12:56 or 1 PM I can say. So guys, we have almost spent 10-15 minutes in this journey, and we have got the fuel also. So this is petrol car and I have got fuel for 1500. ठीक है, I think that will be enough for up and down to Vagamon, because Vagamon is just 67 kilometers. My stay is just 67 kilometers from Kottayam. That is what it was showing. So now we are heading towards Vagamon, and I'll also tell you if there are any tolls or not in this route, but there's no FASTag in the car, so I expect there will be no tolls in this route. But let's see how it goes, and are we going to take a stop or not. So as of now, road is going good only, and we are following Google Maps. We are not doing any experiment here. Whatever Google Map is suggesting, we are following the same. So hey everyone, quick update, like we have stopped in our way, और यहाँ से Vagamon is still I think 15-20 minutes away and approx 5-6 kilometers away. We have stopped at this beautiful viewpoint. I just wanted to show you the viewpoint, that's why I stopped here, and it's almost, yeah, it's 12:47. We stopped for petrol also, so that is why 10-15 minutes more. Previously it was showing approx 1, now it is showing 1:15-20 approx that we will be reaching Vagamon. But you should not miss this viewpoint when you are traveling to Vagamon. Just to update you, we have stopped here for lunch. I'll just show you where have we stopped, what is the restaurant name, and here we are going to have lunch, and then will start towards our stay, because stay में क्या है कि 2 बजे 2 PM पे ही वहाँ पे चेक इन है, तो हमने सोचा कि यहाँ पे लंच करते हुए चले, क्योंकि स्टे का बोला कि स्टे के आसपास कुछ रहने के लिए, मतलब कुछ खाने पीने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए that's why we thought of having lunch before we check in to our stay. So this is Vagamon Cafe Family Restaurant. So we have stopped here. Now we'll go inside and we'll have lunch. This is how the interior looks like. There is ample space to sit here. So guys, finally we at our stay. So there's so many incidents happened today. First of all, the car company La Cabs, as I told you when I was at their office to pick up this car, they told they will not charge anything extra, but when I went in their office, they said no, per hour they will charge extra. Ideally the rule is per hour that we have to pay extra, but that's what I confirmed before booking, right? And then when I booked actually Airbnb, so it was near the Vagamon area where the Google Map is showing Vagamon and tea boating area is there only we booked Airbnb, but on Airbnb the location was wrong. So once we asked for check-in, then he provided one new location which was 12 kilometers away at the end of Vagamon, and that location was too far to stay, so we denied our stay and we cancelled our booking there. We came back to Vagamon, near the Vagamon Meadows is there, so that we can cover, because it was already too late, so that we can cover all the places like Vagamon Glassbridge, Vagamon Meadows, and then whatever nearby area is there. So then we found this Green Palace Resort, and I have checked in here, but there also means top number fraud. They first told non-AC room is 2000, AC room is for 2500 plus taxes, but when I checked in the room and I turned on AC, it is not turning on. When I call them, they are saying no, AC is for 6000, non-AC is for 2000. First time I'm having this experience in Kerala, totally bad experience in Kerala. You know, Kerala, I had such good experiences in Kerala that I have already shared with you also, right? I have shared so many good experiences of Kerala, and Kerala is really good place to visit, but you know, Vagamon has disappointed me to the core. I don't know, just a bad day for me, or Vagamon is like that only, but I'll show you where I have stayed. So this is the place, Green Valley Resort. Here I only stayed, and we are staying at the second floor. This is how the corridor looks like, and that is the main road. This is just property just on the road itself, and that's how the experience is. So that was all for this vlog. We were in Vagamon almost 1:30, around 1:30. Then we had lunch, and then we thought of before checking into property, we thought of having lunch, then checking in the property. So that's how this vlog was. I hope you have enjoyed. I have shared enough details with you so that when you are traveling from Bangalore to Vagamon, these details are going to help you. And please, whatever I have shared in this vlog based on my experience, please consider it when you are traveling to Vagamon. So that is all from this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. So we'll meet in next video. Till then, stay connected and stay healthy.